Back here on Tom's Grand Prix, we are going to put in a fan shroud, and we're going to get rid of this 4-blade fan with the spacer, and we're going to put in a fan clutch with a 7-blade fan. Help this thing keep cool here in the desert. Yeah, so first order of business, remove this top panel. All right, top plate's off. Time to pull that fan out. All right, radiator's out. I'm getting ready to set this shroud in just to kind of mock up. And then we're gonna go from there. Doing a little test fitting. Obviously it sits up a bit high right now, but that won't be the case for long. We do need to trim down there at the bottom just a wee bit. Get it low, get it to fit around and seat down there. All right, got us kind of mocked up. I did some notching down there at the bottom of the shroud, so she fits around everything pretty damn nicely. I might have to just trim that little titty right there off. But other than that, it's pretty much where we want it. We are gonna need to do the obvious of trimming the top here and have it meet with our lid. So we're gonna have to do that, but we're working on it. So our next step, I'm gonna pull this out, I'm gonna notch this here, and we're gonna put our fan on and put our radiator in after the shroud's sitting in there, and the shroud won't be coming back out again. We'll be trimming all up here and going from there. All right, so mocking up the shroud. Fitment's actually pretty damn good now. Definitely want to trim off up here to let this settle, and it'll bring this up as well. I do need to trim here at the top of the shroud. Kind of open it up just so it pops up more, but it definitely fits pretty damn decent. This needs to be trimmed on this side as well. Go into this rib here. All right, and pull it out and check it, but look at that. I guess I have all the bolts in it too. Right, after some more trimming, it looks like it was made for it. So we're gonna pull all this back out. We're gonna get our fan assembled, put it together. Then we're gonna slide our new shroud in, set our radiator, and see how things lay. All right, our fan is in with our fan clutch. Way better. Nice 7-blade fan. That's pretty common on Cadillacs, big block Camaros, all kinds of other big motored cars. So that's going to definitely help our cooling. And with having the clutch, that's going to help as well, because it's going to help us sometimes with economy. And then when it engages, oh, the temperature is going to drop. Shrouds in, expansion tanks in. I love these because the writing on the lid is so period. It's perfect. So shrouds in, fans in. We ran the car a little bit, so we're all good there. So Tom gets to go enjoy it. Lots of airflow, lots of cooling.